Predicting amateur radio band openings is a mix of analyzing space weather, the so-called solar engine, and monitoring real-time activity, the results. For a seasoned operator or a technically minded amateur, the key is moving beyond just checking the weather to using precise metrics and diagnostic tools. To predict openings, you must first check the horsepower of the sun. The primary indices to watch are solar flux index, measures the ionizing radiation that creates the F layer of the ionosphere. SFI less than 90, poor for high bands, 20 meter may be weak. SFI 90 to 150, good openings on 20 and 15 meter. SFI more than 150, excellent. 12 and 10 meters start to pop up. Planetary K index measures the geomagnetic stability, that's the road conditions. Planetary K index 2 or less, quiet and stable band, perfect for DX and polar paths. Planetary K index 4 or more indicates active to storm. Expect high noise, signal fading, and possible blackouts on HF. Sunspot number. A higher sunspot number generally correlates with a higher maximum usable frequency. Instead of guessing, you can see where signals are actually landing right now using crowdsourced data. PSK Reporter, the ultimate pro tool. It maps where your signal or others' signals is being heard in near real time. If you see FT8 spots crossing from Europe to India on 15 meter, the band is open for SSB and CW2. Reverse beacon network, an automated network of receivers that listen for CW and digital signals. You can send a quick CQ and check reverse beacon network to see exactly which stations heard you and with what signal to noise ratio. Kilo Charlie 2 Golf MUF map provides a real-time world map of the maximum usable frequency. If the contour line for 28 MHz is over your location, 10 meter is likely open. For pro-level forecasting of specific paths, use the Voice of America Coverage Analysis Program VOA CAP. Point-to-point prediction. You enter your power level, antenna type like inverted V or fan dipole and target the location. Reliability charts. It generates a color-coded wheel or table showing the percentage of circuit reliability for every hour of the day across all HF bands. Look for gray line, the dawn-dusk transition. Propagation on 40 meter and 80 meter often peaks dramatically during the short window when one station is at sunrise and the other is at sunset. A common pro trick is to monitor the FT8 frequencies like 14.074 MHz or 28.074 MHz. Because FT8 can decode signals up to 26 decibels below the noise floor, it is the canary in the coal mine. If you hear the angry bagpipe sounds of digital traffic on a band that otherwise sounds dead, an opening is starting or occurring at a level that voice modes can't yet reach. Here is a summary table for band openings. 80 or 40 meter, nighttime or gray line propagation best. Low planetary K index is critical. Key indicators will be low noise floor, signals ringing. On 20 meter, it is a 24/7 band which can peak in day. Moderate SFI more than 100 are required and it is the workhorse DX band. 15 and 10 meter, they are mostly daytime bands, needs high SFI 120 to 150 or more. And you can monitor citizen band or 11 meter, that is 27 megahertz activity in regions where it is there. Or there are beacons on 10 meter. If these are heard, that means higher bands are open.